Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be safe and sound. In this video, I'll tell you odd forms and usage. So let's get started. Grammar patterns with ought to. You say that somebody ought to do something. You ought to see a gastroenterologist. You say that somebody ought to have done something. You ought to have phoned this morning, but you didn't. You say that somebody ought not to do something. She ought not to be calling now. You say that somebody ought not to have done something. He ought not to have eaten, but he did eat. You can also use oughtn't. He oughtn't to eat. She oughtn't to have eaten. You ask ought somebody to do something. Ought we to go now? You ask ought somebody to have done something. Ought I to have told them? It is used to say that somebody should do something because it is the best or most reasonable thing to do. You really ought to stop smoking. What time ought I to reach? They ought to be ashamed of themselves. They have created this problem. Used to make a suggestion about something you believe is a good idea, particularly in a social situation. We ought to speak English every day. You ought to phone parents, they must be waiting. We ought to study harder to pass the exam. Number 3, used to say that you figure something will probably happen or is probably true, etc. She left 3 hours ago, so she ought to be there by now. You ought to win. You have trained hard enough. New technology ought to make this easier. Ought to or should. Ought to and should are similar meaning. Should is more common than ought to. Ought to is more formal than should. There ought to be more hospitals here means the same as there should be more hospitals here. I really ought to exercise more. I am so fat means the same as I really should exercise more. I am so fat. Spoken English. In speaking, we normally use should as a tag for clauses with ought to. There ought to be a speed limit here. Shouldn't there? Refer to there ought to be speed limit here. Oughtn't there? We ought not to have to pay for basic medicine. Should we? Refer to we ought not to have to pay for basic medicines. Ought we? Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.